direct to the awards. Most disciplined player, Branton Kiplimo. Tumpigie makofi. Top scorer is Rooney Odhiambo, under 9. Rooney Odhiambo. Good. Let's clap for him. Yeye ndiye amefunga mabao mingi sana. Actually, from January to now, he has a total of 13 goals. 13 goals. 13 goals. Most improved, that is Mark Waweru. Good. Most ambitious, he is none other than Juan Kenyajui. Juan is a goalkeeper. He doubles both under 9 and under 11. So under 11 and under 9, yeye ndiye ukuwa goalkeeper wa that team. So thank you so much, Juan, most ambitious. Yule mtoto tumenotice yeye hata jana kukiwa na mvua, kukiwa na matope, hataki kiatu ingie maji, hataki uchafu hata kidogo. And none other than Lincoln Kamau. Very neat young man. Look at him. Look at him. Daddy, you have a very neat young man here. So thank you so much. Zawadi yake Baba Jamie, nilikuwa nimekuona hapa. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And also the dad is also neat, and very clean. So I think he's buying from you. So thank you so much. We will have to award the best coach. Our best coach is none other than head coach Anwar Sadat. His team has won the majority of the games. Very focused coach. Yes, medal, yes. Yes. And on top of that, we are going to give him 5,000 shillings for being a very important coach. So thank you so much. Best player of the year. Kwa football, tukiaward this award, we show some respect na kusimama. So nawauliza musimame wote. We clap for this young man. He has done it. We are encouraging more to do it. The coaches have done thorough vetting. And we have Frank Derito as the most valuable player. Let's clap for him. Let's clap for him. Thank you so much. Let's clap for him. He has got 10 assists. He has got 7 goals. Also very disciplined. Under 9, George from Future Lions. You are going to award that award. Thank you so much. Last year it was Andrew, and we really appreciate. We are hoping that he will be with us very soon. So we also have a present for Andrew. We keep our all MVP in a list. So we also have a medal for him. Mama Andrew, you can step forward. We want to the overall best team, and that is under 9. Let's clap for under 9. So we want the 2 captains, Jaden, Teddy, and Coach Mo, to step forward. Thank you so much. In football, this present haikuangi imepangiwa kitambo. So director looks around and finds someone to award. So I chose her today. Is he most disciplined team will be our last award. Thank you so much. Most disciplined team. Most disciplined team is under 5 and 7.
My name is Judy Kinyanjui. I am a parent at Ruiru Sports Academy. My son Juan plays with the under-8. He's the goalkeeper. I've been a parent here since last year. It's now a year. Ruiru Sports Academy has helped our kids to mentor them, to help them to develop their soccer skills and other skills in the football. We are happy because we now have a stadium in Ruiru town where our children play 3 times a week. Today we had the parents and players and other stakeholders meetings where our children were also awarded with certificates. It helps to motivate kids because when they are given medals, they want to work harder and play more. And the future of this of RSA is really bright because we have international links with other teams like the Future Lions Academy. We are hoping that our kids are going to get to play in the international arena. We thank Coach Jogu because he has mentored our children. It helps them especially during holidays because they get somewhere to come and play. They don't just sit at home and watch TV. We are asking all other parents to join us. Bring your kids here. It's only 5,000 shillings a term and they have programs for the whole holidays. So thank you and feel welcome.
I am Mr. Francis Nderitu, and this is my wife Neta Kinyua Nderitu, and we are happy to be here today, Ruiru Sports Academy Stakeholders Day. We as parents, we really appreciate what Ruiru Sports Academy is doing for us. Actually, it was God's blessings that we found this academy, or it found us here, because this is something we have been looking for. We are very passionate about talent development for our children, and we found it as a God given. It is good for us to give opportunity to our children to develop their talents. More often than not, we are so much into academics and we forget that talent development can also be another way to help our children engage and possibly even get employment in one way or the other. When they develop their talents, they can find that as a way of earning an income. What I would wish to say is that parents who are not aware of Ruiru Sports Academy, they need to.
My name is Wanjiko Kinyua, Mama Frank. I'm so elated today to be here. I feel so much secure that my son is here. He doesn't have to go wondering what to do over the holidays. I love the passion for our coaches have towards our children. They are so well behaved. They are mentored even spiritually. I thank God that we found this academy. It was God sent. May God bless Ruiru Sports Academy.
Kwa majina naitwa Martin Karanja. Na mimi ni msasi wa Humphrey Jaum. Okay, ni mtoto ako between age between 9 and 11. Nimemleta hapa for some time. This is hata mwaka haijaisha. Nimeona a lot of change. Mtoto ameimprove in talent yake. Okay, nafurahi fanya Ruiru Sports Academy na top talent. Inafanya watoto wajitambue mapema. Okay, naona tunaenda places, tunaona wako na idea poa. Kwa sababu kwa mtoto nyumbani huwezi jua ako na talent gani. Mimi wakati nimleta nyumbani ndio nilimleta hapa kwa academy ndio nikuja nikaelewa. Sasa wakakuja those watu wako na professional, doing professional, wanajua kutap talent kutoka kwa mtoto. Sasa mimi nafurahia. Nimeona by the way are going process wako na plan poa ya kufanya watatap talent na kuwapeleka some places beyond that. Sasa wataweza kukuza talent. Ndio mimi na support sana hii program. Naomba parents wengi watu to join. Sasa kama sasa vacation watoto wengine wanacheza, wanaenda kujiingiza katika mambo ya drugs nini company mbaya. Lakini sasa hii energy watoto wakiwa young wako na energy mingi sana. At the moment wanatumia hiyo energy kwa mambo kama sports. Naona hiyo ikiwa na future I wish every parent afanye hivyo.
My name is Carol. I thank God for the Ruiru Academy. They have really done well for our kids. Actually, we see even the holidays, the kids are always busy coming for the training, and we really appreciate because the time they are just in the house doing nothing. So we praise God for having the academy with us. And again, they are nurturing our children and disciplining them in most of the ways. And I like the fact that they even have a priest or a pastor who always give them a word every morning before they start the sport things, whether they are playing or not. So nashukuru kwa hiyo. And about this day, nashukuru sana. It was perfect one. We appreciate the fact that I think every kid have had a certificate, and the tag. Yeah. The medal. So we feel like we are part of it, and being that we are invited to come and participate, we appreciate very much, and we just praise God that this academy will live for any other generations, and in future Mungu awabariki sana, na hata wenye wote wako huko nje na wanaweza kuwa wanataka kuparticipate kwa football, this is the time and this is the place to be.
My name is Isabel Wamboi. I'm a parent of one of their children who is under 11, Paula Njoki. I am privileged to also support a team of disadvantaged kids. I have 7 kids in the academy. Soon there'll be 10 come May. I am pleased for what has happened today. It was an opportunity for the kids to see that their parents appreciate what they have been doing, and even to see that the money that the parents have committed has been put to good use. I wish to motivate the team that is working to keep on, because it is an activity that helps the kids grow both physically, spiritually, and emotionally, and it is one that helps the kids be able to take control of their activities, and I believe it's an activity that will help will reflect even in the academics. I want to maybe give a vote of thanks to the team that had organized this day. It was a great opportunity for even us parents to meet and even to see that the investment we are making is not futile. So I just wish, as a parent, to recommend that every other parent may join and bring their kids to the academy. Thank you.